lovely people, welcome to Marie's Lab. If this is your first time visiting this channel, kindly like, comment, subscribe and share. If you've always been here with me, a very big thank you to you. In today's video, we'll be discussing the hematology department. The word heme is derived from the Greek word called haema, which means blood. So basically, hematology is the study of blood, or hematology is the study of blood and blood forming disorders or diseases such as anemia, hemophilia, leukemia, and blood clotting disorders, etc. Now, what are some of the tests that are being carried out in the hematology department? We have the full blood count or complete blood count, erythrocyte segmentation rate, activated partial thromboplastin time, proteomic time or international normalized ratio, D-dimer, fibrinogen, glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, sickling test, HB electrophoresis, and many others. What are some of the hematological tubes used to perform hematological tests? These are EDTA, which is ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid, sodium citrate, and heparin. I believe this video has been very impactful and you would like the next person to benefit from this. Kindly like, comment, subscribe and share as we educate or as we know more about the medical laboratory field. See you in my next edition. Bye-bye.